Welcome to Future Cars Updates, your go-to channel for the latest car news, futuristic designs, and automotive innovation. Today, we have something truly exciting, something that will make the hearts of car enthusiasts race. We're talking about the rebirth of a legend, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type. The Jaguar E-Type is not just any car, it's an icon. First introduced in 1961, it was a masterpiece of design and engineering. It wasn't just fast, it was breathtakingly beautiful. Enzo Ferrari once called it, the most beautiful car ever made. Now, Jaguar is bringing it back, reimagined for the modern era with cutting-edge technology, electrified performance, and the timeless elegance that made the original a legend. So, what can we expect from the 2025 Jaguar E-Type? Let's start with its design. Jaguar has always been known for its sleek and seductive styling, and the new E-Type is no exception. It stays true to the original's long hood, flowing curves, and signature oval grille. However, it's been updated with a modern twist, LED headlights seamlessly integrated into the classic shape, aerodynamically refined bodywork, and a more aggressive stance. The proportions are perfect, keeping the low-slung silhouette that made the original E-Type so iconic. The 2025 model is expected to use lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber to enhance both performance and efficiency. One of the biggest questions surrounding the new E-Type is its powertrain. Will it stay true to its high-revving internal combustion roots, or will it embrace electrification? Jaguar has already announced its commitment to becoming an all-electric brand by 2025, so it's highly likely that the new E-Type will be fully electric. But don't be disappointed, this isn't just any electric vehicle. Jaguar is expected to equip it with a high-performance electric powertrain that delivers instant torque, blistering acceleration, and a driving experience that pays tribute to the original's raw excitement. Rumors suggest that it could feature dual motors, providing all-wheel drive and over 600 horsepower. This means the new E-Type could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest Jaguars ever built. And with advanced battery technology, the range could exceed 300 miles on a single charge, ensuring that this classic-inspired masterpiece is as practical as it is exhilarating. Of course, performance isn't just about straight-line speed. The new E-Type is expected to feature adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and an ultra-low center of gravity, making it incredibly agile through the corners. Jaguar has always been known for delivering a refined yet thrilling driving experience, and this car will be no different. It will retain the soul of a classic sports car while embracing the latest advancements in technology and performance. Inside, the 2025 Jaguar E-Type will be a perfect blend of retro charm and modern luxury. Expect a driver-focused cockpit with a minimalist yet elegant design. The original E-Type had a famously simple interior, with toggle switches and analog dials. The new model will likely pay homage to that, but with a digital twist. A fully customizable digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and premium materials like leather, aluminum, and wood will create a luxurious yet sporty atmosphere. Jaguar's latest infotainment system will be featured, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an AI-powered virtual assistant. The seats will be designed for both comfort and support, making long drives enjoyable while keeping the driver connected to the road. Expect advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras, ensuring that this modern E-Type is as safe as it is stylish. One of the most exciting aspects of this car is how it will sound. While electric vehicles are known for their silent operation, Jaguar could introduce an artificial sound system that recreates the growl of a classic straight-six or V12 engine. Imagine the thrill of hearing that iconic E-Type roar, even in an all-electric future. Now, let's talk about exclusivity and pricing. The original E-Type was a symbol of exclusivity and luxury, and the 2025 model will likely follow suit. Jaguar may offer a limited production run, making this car highly collectible. As for the price, it won't come cheap. Estimates suggest it could start at around $150,000, with higher performance variants pushing well beyond that. But for those who can afford it, the 2025 E-Type will be more than just a car, it will be a piece of history reborn. This brings us to an important question: will the new E-Type live up to its legendary predecessor? Jaguar has a tough challenge ahead. The original E-Type was not just a car, it was an era-defining masterpiece. To capture that same magic in a modern world of electrification and digitalization is no easy feat. However, Jaguar has shown time and time again that it understands its heritage. If any brand can successfully blend past and future, it's Jaguar. What we do know is that the 2025 Jaguar E-Type will be a car that stirs emotions. Whether it's the stunning design, the exhilarating performance, or the nostalgic connection to a golden age of motoring, this car is set to make history once again. So, what do you think about the rebirth of the Jaguar E-Type? Are you excited about an all-electric version, or do you think it should have kept a traditional engine? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Cars updates for more incredible automotive content. We bring you the latest news, reviews, and updates on the cars that shape the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the